In this video, I am going to show you how to replace air filters on a 2016 BMW X5. There are two filters which you have to replace. First filter, rather a set of filters, is located under the hood, and the second filter is located underneath the glove box compartment on a passenger side. There are two ways you can go about doing this. Well, first way, and that's the way most people do it, you take it to the dealership and you pay to get these filters replaced. Today I just got my oil changed and the dealer wanted $250 for parts and labor to have these filters replaced. Now the second way obviously is you can do it yourself, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. If you wish to do this yourself, you need to buy these filters from a credible source obviously, and you need to buy original filters. So the first set in this larger box that goes underneath the hood, and that's the part number, the BMW part number. And then the second filter which goes underneath the glove box compartment is this one, and that's the part number. To start, first lift the hood up by pulling this handle. Next we need to remove this plastic piece that stretches all the way across in order to gain access to filter hood. So to remove this plastic cover, you need to push this pin in like such and pull it out, and then you get another one which is on the other side, and you do the same. Next, there's a set of pins which you need to lift up right there before you can lift this cover up. So the filters are right here underneath this plastic cover. To open this cover, all you have to do is just pull this tab and then simply pull the filter out. Now notice when you pull this cover out, the filters actually come attached to this cover. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have set this on the bottom on the floor, and then we'll have these filters replaced. This is the old filter that used to be in there. It really doesn't look too bad, but the dealership and the user manual recommends replacing these. My car just hit 65,000 miles, and they recommend having these filters replaced. So that's what we're gonna do. So next, we're gonna put everything the way it was. We're gonna put these filters back where they were and close everything up. One thing to note here and to be very careful about is that there are these tabs at the back. There's two of them, and you gotta make sure that your cover latches in underneath those tabs. Otherwise, you're gonna have it's not gonna be properly closed. So push that in, and there you go. Double check everything. looks good. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put this cover back in. First pin goes here. And that snaps in. And then the second pin, which I've already inserted, goes right there. And that's it. So we're done replacing the cabin filter. First set of filters, which goes underneath the hood. And next we're going to replace the filter underneath the glove box compartment on the passenger side. Last filter that we need to replace is located right there. And we're going to have to remove this cover right there to gain access to that filter. To open this cover, what you need to do is you need to unscrew a couple of these screws, plastic screws, and then you just simply need to remove this cover out of the way. The filter itself is right there, so what you need to do is pull this tab out, this plastic piece, and then pull the filter out. So notice direction of the airflow, and the arrow is pointing that way, so we have to make sure we insert the filter in the same way. Now this is the old filter. It's really not too bad, so you'll have that replaced. Here is our new filter, nice and clean, and we're gonna insert this filter where it belongs. Again, make sure that the airflow arrows are pointing this way, so the air filter goes in this way. The filter is in. Make sure you have everything in there correctly. Make sure the plastic cover is there. So the next thing we have to do is we have to put this cover back in. Obviously you want to connect this connector, this wire. This is your light, and put this back where it was. In summary, what we've just done, we've replaced air filters, cabin air filters that is. These two were located underneath the hood, and you can see the condition of these guys. You can see all sorts of stuff in there. And then the third filter, which is the underneath the glove box compartment, which is this one. Again, yeah, it's really not too bad. I could have left this thing in for a while, a few more months maybe, but you know, it makes sense to replace the whole thing to get fresh air inside. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this about BMW X5 and other cars. Thank you.